students, welcome back to today's class. Today I'm here with a new activity for standard 2nd, and today we are going to learn to make this wall hanging.
To start this activity, you require 3 craft papers of bright colors, adhesive and a pair of scissors. I have taken yellow paper here. Now we shall fold the paper 3 times in rectangle fold this way. First fold, second fold, and third fold. So we have folded it 3 times. Crease the fold properly. I have folded the rest papers in similar manner. Then take the folded strip and unfold it once. You can now see a crease formed. Now with the help of scissors, cut it this way. Again unfold it and cut the strip. You have to repeat same steps to the other 2 folded papers. You will get 8 strips for each craft paper. Now next step is to take any 2 combination of your choice. Here I have taken a set of purple and green strips. First, take a strip of purple and apply glue on the end of the strip. And get the other end of the strip and stick them together. Like this. Now on its edge apply glue and place the end of the green strip on it. Then fold it in the same manner. Now apply glue. Pick purple strip and repeat the same step. Then again apply glue. Take green strip. So did you follow this step, students? Yes, you have to place these strips alternately. Now, in between, spread this folded strip this way. Apply glue again. Take the last strip and get the ends of it together and fold them towards the sides. Now let the glue dry completely. You need to make flowers of other strips like this. Now we shall arrange them. Place these flowers on the flat surface like this and apply small amount of glue on both the folded strips and then stick them with other flowers. Let the glue dry completely. Now we have to fix a loop to it. Again, cut a strip and apply glue to its end and stick them together, and then fix it applying glue in the center here. Your wall hanging is now ready. Here there is one more arrangement with similar flowers using strips. To start this activity, you have to take 3 papers of A4 size of any 3 color, adhesive, a pair of scissors, a pencil and a stapler. I have taken a A4 size paper here. Now we shall fold the paper 4 times in rectangle fold. First fold, second fold, third fold and the fourth fold. Crease it properly. Now unfold it. See, all the creases are marked properly. Now take scissors and then cut them together. You have to cut all the A4 size papers in similar manner as shown here. We require 2 more extra strips for joining, which we would be using later. Now, next step is to remove a strip from each of these sets and place it this way. Take a pencil and mark on the pink strip now, and then on the white strip. I have not marked on the blue strip. Take scissors and cut the marked part this way. Then use these as measurements and cut the strips accordingly to make them of same length. Now we got 3 different sizes here. Take the blue strip and fold it into half. Repeat this same method for the pink and the white strip. Now, on the blue strip, you can now see a crease is been marked. Place pink and the white strip on it. Then hold the strips in the center and turn it downwards. Use stapler to staple the ends. Now make sets of all these strips and keep it ready. Hold the strips this way and apply glue here. And pull these strips downwards and stick them one by one. Do it for the other side also. See, you got a heart shape. Now those two extra strips we will now cut into half. Again, get the ends together, apply little glue, and fix it down this way. Repeat the same method to all these strips. Now let's arrange these hearts. Apply glue and slowly insert it inside. You can create different arrangements of your choice. Right now, I'm just placing it one above another. In this video, you have learned how to make paper decoration in both the activities. Activity 1, flower shape, and Activity 2, heart shape. Making a wall hanging is just not easy, but it's very quick and it's also versatile. It can be a great idea for fun decor at birthday celebration. You can hang them almost everywhere. They will look gorgeous in your classroom and at your home too. I'm sure you enjoyed watching this video and you will all give it a try. Thank you.